Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, I bring you this amazing website that lets you earn online guys by literally doing multiple tasks or different tasks guys, and you literally earn online. So it is called Lion Bridge, and as you can see here, it says one word, many voices, multilingual content for a connected world. So you can literally do like different things to make money guys. Like you can do translation, like everything guys, you can usually do that to make money. So as you can see here, it says create content that generates revenue in any language. So it is a transcription website that lets people, all this content creation, that transcribe their video into text. So what you just need is that you join Lions Bridge as a worker and not as a content creator that want to transcribe his or her video. So that's just it. You will join Lionsgate as a worker guys. So that's just it, because Lionsbridge, they use human just like you, just like me, to for the transcription guys. They don't use AI because AI sometimes makes mistakes, but human can be corrected. So that's just it guys. So as you can see here, it says advanced automation tools are indispensable to simplify your content journey and effectively reach your customers faster and more cost efficiently than ever before. So that's just it guys. So as you can see here, connecting the world, global SEO, ask me anything and all. So let us help you localize everything. So this is not really what we want to talk about guys, because we already know what the website does. So now what we need to do is go to this section right here. You see this place says lionsbridge.com/join our team. So this is where we want to be guys. So as you can see here, it says job opportunity as Lion Bridge. Here says join our pride, work with linguistic and AI experts around the world. So that is what we want to do guys. So as you can see here, it says say join Lion Bridge where your impact matters. So I say at Lion Bridge, you will do meaningful work that empower Fortune 100 companies and global industry leaders. You will advance innovation, shape groundbreaking projects, and grow your career. That's just it guys. So as you can see here, it says people love working at Lion Bridge because they develop invaluable skills and grow their professional career, engage with high profile cutting edge project, enjoy flexible work arrangement, and a lot more guys. So that's just it. So now let's click on see all job opportunities guys. So as you can see here, our people are our pride. So these are the jobs you can do. As you can see, a job title, software test engineer, test lead, everything guys. You can do all this work and earn on Lion Bridge. So you can do everything. See Korean interpreter, Japanese interpreter, language lead, everything guys. So you can do it. You can also go to the second page right here guys, and you will see other things they have going on. So as you can see here, so this is localization, game tester, everything. So you can do any of this work and earn. So any of it you are interested, just click on it. If it's video games tester, just click on it and then you apply guys. That's just how it works guys. As you can see here, start your application, you push your first name, last name and your email guys, and your resume, and then you submit. So they'll get back to you in like 48 to 72 hours guys, and that's just it guys. You start earning on Lion Bridge. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below guys, and I will answer you guys. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe guys, and I'll see you next time.